Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so activation can proceed without interruption. Sign into the Office account tied to your license and have the product key ready. Make sure your PC is online and you have administrator rights. Once done, close all Office apps, then open Word and trigger the activation wizard from File account. This starts the authentication flow. Follow prompts to select your account or enter the product key so the activation service can validate your license. Now focus on the more detailed fixes that block activation. Run Windows Activation Troubleshooter or use Quick Repair and Online Repair for Office. These fix corrupt files and service issues. If that fails, verify system date/time, disable proxy and firewall temporarily, and flush DNS so your PC can reach Microsoft servers. If old licenses linger, run OSP. VBS as admin to list and remove them, then re-enter your license. Make sure to sign out and sign back into Office to refresh token data. Finish by restarting the computer, opening Word, and completing any remaining activation prompts. This often finalizes license registration. If activation still fails, copy the exact error code shown. That directs you to the specific remedy and speed support. As a last isolation test, try activating in Windows Safe Mode with networking or a fresh local user profile to determine whether a corrupt profile or startup app interferes. If that isolates the problem, reset the affected profile or remove the conflicting startup app before re-attempting activation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.